When I'm teaching, it's quite common to want to grab a whiteboard pen and just go over a quick concept or quick idea on the board to help make sure my students are on track. But with my iPad and my Skriva Stylus, I can do this, but in an even better way because I can record it and then share that recording later, so my students can watch it back when it suits them or when they need a reminder. All I'm going to do is use the Notes app for this, and you can see I've already drawn on there a maths problem we're trying to solve in the class. Then I'm going to tap onto the drawing tools on the top toolbar and make sure I've got a good pen colour that's going to stand out on my whiteboard. Now from this point, I want to make sure that my screen is visible to all of my students. So I'm going to flick down from the top right corner to go into Control Centre, and from here I'm going to enable AirPlay to show it on my Apple TV in my classroom. And whilst Apple TV is great because it works in the here and now, I also want to record what I'm doing so my students can watch it again later on. So back on that main Control Centre screen, I'm going to tap and hold on the screen recording option, and I want to make sure the microphone is turned on so I can pick up my audio as I'm teaching the class. Then I'm going to press Start Recording, and now it's recording, I'm going to grab my Skriva Stylus and I'm going to start annotating all over this page. I'm going to make scribbles, I'm going to cross things out, I'm going to rub bits out, and I'm going to annotate it as I'm modelling that to my students. As I'm narrating it, the iPad's going to record my words and the picture. It's not going to be neat, it's not going to be pretty, but it gets the message across. When I press Stop on that top toolbar, I've got a screen recording video with audio in my Photos app ready to go. In fact, if I jump into Photos now, we can see that screen recording is saved there ready to go. I can watch it back, I can scrub through, and if I press the share button in the top corner, I can then share it to my learning platform of choice. So for me, I can tap onto Shobi, and then that's ready to go in my class so my students can access that learning again at a later date. This simple trick is another way that I use my stylus with my iPad every single day as a teacher.